folks, welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City this afternoon. Today I'd like to present to you this 4 Winds on a Mercedes diesel chassis. Come on inside and we'll take a look. We'll start back here in the bedroom area. It has a walk-around queen bed. Windows on both sides of the bed for good ventilation. It's pretty light back here actually. Nice little wardrobe closet here. We have another wardrobe closet here. Good size with drawers below. Here we have the bathroom area. Directly across is the Norcold refrigerator with the cabinet above. We have a 3-burner gas cooktop and a microwave convection oven below. Nice big window for a bright sunlight and 2 stainless steel sink. Room for a garbage can below, which is nice. Here we have storage underneath the dinette. This also makes down into a bed. This is a bed up here as well, so you could actually sleep 2, 4, 6 total comfortably. This is, again, as I said, on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. These are so fun to drive, very popular these days. We have an outside entertainment center here with a nice big awning, LED lights. Makes it fun for evening when you're sitting out looking at the stars. We have propane here for your gas barbecue. The generator is here. It's a nice big storage area that you can access from each side and the back. More storage here. So this little 24-foot has a lot to offer. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach that we have, please feel free to give me a call at the number you see below or my cell number, 541-505-0292. Thank you.